I'm taking the Persil Challenge and I'm getting started right now. Welcome to This and That with Denise Jordan. I teach women how to make wise home health and beauty decisions so there's less chaos in their homes, they lead healthier lives, and they feel beautiful from the inside out. And today we're tackling the chaos that can so often accompany laundry. So if you're new to my channel and you want to learn more about running a home, laundry, cooking, cleaning, planning, and health and beauty, then subscribe. But definitely check out the show notes and the links below because that's where I'll put information about all the products I used in this video. Okay, let's get to it. Some of you may already know that I am a Tide baby. I built brand loyalty with Tide when I was a child. My mom used Tide when I was a little girl. When I got married and started my own family, I used Tide. I use Tide today. But I'm looking for a new love. I'm looking for a new love, baby. I don't sing very well, but I did want to try something new. And this is the thing. I was trying to find something to replace Wisk. I wasn't aware that Wisk was taken off the market last year, and I came across this brand, Persil, which is what replaced Wisk. I guess they were bought out by a new company, and last year they took Wisk off the market, and this is the one that they're really promoting in the American market. I came across this ad. Take the Persil Proclean Challenge and love it or send it back. I thought, I can do that. So I read the ad to see what was what, and then I went to Walmart, picked up the Persil, and here we are. So we'll see how things go. I'm going to try it for the next 30 days, and I'll take you along with me and let you know how I like it. So I've got a load of laundry over here on the floor just waiting to go into the wash. So let's get it started. Now you know one of the biggest things I'm concerned about is ring around the collar. And this was supposed to have replaced Wisk. So let's just see if it's going to be as good for that purpose. It's the palest blue. I like that. It's got a nice fresh scent. I'll pre-treat these collars and then I'll just let this sit in the wash for about 10 minutes before I actually turn it on. I don't know how he gets these colors so grungy. So the leftover detergent I put in the detergent bin as expected. Now I'm going to let this sit for 10 minutes and then I'll start the washer. It's been 10 minutes, so now I'm going to go ahead and start the wash. Well, they look pretty bright so far. Now let's take a look at these shirts. The shirts look nice and white, but I am not real impressed. I still got ring around the collar. I'm going to have to wash these again and scrub that collar, maybe with the toothbrush. Under the arms looks okay. This one, the collar looks great. Completely clean, so I like this one. This one, there's just a little bit there. I'm not too sure about that one. There's a little bit of ring on this one too, but it's not as bad as that other one. This one looks pretty good. No ring on this one. And this is just another white undershirt, and the paint is still on there that he got on there. That's a label. Well, I think I'm going to put 2 of those shirts back through the wash and treat the collars again, and we'll see what happens. So this is just day 1. We'll see how the other days go. So I wasn't very pleased with the way those 2 shirts turned out. The collars were still a little bit grungier than what I would prefer. So I threw them back in the wash, and this time I treated them with some Housecleaning. So let's see how they look now. This one looks pretty good. I'm real pleased with this one. So that's a winner. This one is still a little grungy. It's a lot better than what it was, and I think he must have worn this one 2 times. What can I say? But I scrubbed it with some Houseclean, and I even used a toothbrush on it, so it is better. So the key here is to catch the stain before it gets set. So let's get these in the dryer. And we'll let the dryer do its thing. Okay, now let's take a look at these collars. This one looks pretty darn good. So I'm pleased with this one. This one looks really good. This one is okay. I suppose it looks good. Not pretty darn good, but it's good. This one's a lot better. It's not what I would like, but it's definitely a lot better. Well, there you have it. Here's my white shirts done for the week. And let me know what you thought. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Share the love by sharing the link. And if you like laundry videos, if you like watching me try to sort out my laundry dilemmas, then subscribe, because I do lots of videos like this one right here. In the meantime, this is Denise Jordan saying goodbye. I'll see you in the next video. Now here's the question of the day. What do you use to get your wash clean? What detergent is your holy grail? Tell me about it in the comment section below. I'd really like to get a good conversation going because, like I said, I'm looking for a new love. So maybe you might just have the answer.